Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What type of service does GoPuff primarily provide? Is it A, grocery delivery, B, ride sharing, or C, streaming service? It is A, grocery delivery. What popular Netflix series features Millie Bobby Brown as the character 11? Is it A, 13 Reasons Why, B, The Crown, or C, Stranger Things? It is C, Stranger Things. What is the capital city of the United Arab Emirates? Is it A, Abu Dhabi, B, Dubai, or C, Sharjah? It is A, Abu Dhabi. What is the primary setting for the series The 100? Is it A, space station, B, post-apocalyptic Earth, or C, underwater city? It is B, post-apocalyptic Earth. What is the primary use of aluminum in construction? Is it A, plumbing, B, insulation, or C, structural framework? It is C, structural framework. What is the primary magical skill that Hermione Granger is known for in the Harry Potter series? Is it A, flying, B, spellcasting, or C, potion making? It is B, spellcasting. What type of card game is Gin Rummy classified as? Is it A, auction, B, knockout, or C, trick-taking? It is B, knockout. What is a meteorite primarily composed of when it reaches Earth's surface? Is it A, ice, B, gas, or C, rock? It is C, rock. What is a primary benefit of high-speed rail systems? Is it A, increased road traffic, B, reduced travel time, or C, higher fuel consumption? It is B, reduced travel time. Who was the founder of Taoism and wrote the Tao Te Ching? Is it A, Confucius, B, Laozi, or C, Sun Tzu? It is B, Laozi. What is gremolata? Is it A, meat dish, B, herb sauce, or C, pasta type? It is B, herb sauce. What region is primarily associated with the Kurdish people? Is it A, Kurdistan, B, Basque Country, or C, Catalonia? It is A, Kurdistan. Which program was the space shuttle part of for launching astronauts into space? Is it A, NASA, B, ESA, or C, JAXA? It is A, NASA. What type of dish are tostons primarily made from? Is it A, potatoes, B, plantains, or C, corn? It is B, plantains. What technological concept is primarily explored in the Black Mirror series? Is it A, romantic comedies, B, futuristic dystopias, or C, historical dramas? It is B, futuristic dystopias. Who was the People's Princess and a member of the British royal family? Is it A, Diana, Princess of Wales, B, Queen Elizabeth II, or C, Princess Anne? It is A, Diana, Princess of Wales. Which regime was Pol Pot the leader of in Cambodia? Is it A, Khmer Rouge, B, Viet Cong, or C, Khmer Republic? It is A, Khmer Rouge. What is the main objective of the game of handball? Is it A, serve aces, B, block shots, or C, score goals? It is C, score goals. What is the primary scripture of Sikhism? Is it A, Guru Granth Sahib, B, Bhagavad Gita, or C. Torah? It is A. Guru Granth Sahib. Which device did Alessandro Volta invent that is considered the first electrochemical battery? Is it A. Voltaic pile, B. Electromagnet, or C. Dynamo? It is A. Voltaic pile. Which mission did Buzz Aldrin participate in as the second human to walk on the moon? Is it A. Apollo 13, B. Apollo 11, or C. Skylab 1? It is B. Apollo 11. What is the primary use of polar coordinates in mathematics? Is it A. Representing points in a plane, B. Calculating derivatives, or C. Solving linear equations? It is A. Representing points in a plane. Which style of music is Bela Bartok predominantly known for integrating into his compositions? Is it A. Folk music, B. Jazz, or C. Classical? It is A. Folk music. What does time horizon refer to? Is it A. Risk, B. Profit, or C. Duration? It is C. Duration. What is the primary color commonly associated with the gemstone aventurine? Is it A. Green, B. Blue, or C. Red? It is A. Green. Which type of fashion items is Tommy Hilfiger best known for? Is it A. Footwear, B. Casual clothing, or C. Jewelry? It is B. Casual clothing. What genre of music is Shape of You by Ed Sheeran primarily classified as? Is it A. Jazz, B. Rock, or C. Pop? It is C. Pop. What is the official language of Germany? Is it A. French, B. Dutch, or C. German? It is C. German. What significant political position does Xi Jinping hold in China? Is it A. Vice President, B. Prime Minister, or C. General Secretary? It is C. General Secretary. Which country is located to the north of the Bay of Bengal? Is it A. Australia, B. India, or C. Indonesia? It is B. India. What does it mean to burn your bridges in a professional context? Is it A. Ending a relationship, B. Severing ties irreversibly, or C. Taking time off work? It is B. Severing ties irreversibly. What is the capital of Slovenia? Is it A. Ljubljana, B. Zagreb, or C. Vienna? It is A. Ljubljana. How many Grand Slam singles titles has Roger Federer won? Is it A. 20, B. 15, or C. 22? It is A. 20. What is the capital of Lebanon? Is it A. Amman, B. Cairo, or C. Beirut? It is C. Beirut. What city does the River Thames flow through? Is it A. Rome, B. Paris, or C. London? It is C. London. What type of bond links amino acids together in proteins? Is it A. Hydrogen bond, B. Ionic bond, or C. Peptide bond? It is C. Peptide bond. What term is used to describe a small body of matter from space that enters the Earth's atmosphere and becomes a bright streak of light? Is it A. Comet, B. Asteroid, or C. Meteor? It is C. Meteor. What is the term for the rapid movement of an organism away from a stimulus? Is it A. Taxis, B. Migration, or C. Hibernation? It is A. Taxis. What is the primary type of organism that fungi belong to in biological classification? Is it A. Prokaryotes, B. Eukaryotes, or C. Archaea? It is B. Eukaryotes. What belief system does animism primarily emphasize regarding the spiritual essence of natural objects? Is it A. Atheism, B. Monotheism, or C. Nature worship? It is C. Nature worship. What type of blood cell destruction is referred to by the term hemolysis? Is it A. White blood cells, B. Red blood cells, or C. Platelets? It is B. Red blood cells. What is the capital city of Zambia? Is it A. Kitwe, B. Ndola, or C. Lusaka? It is C. Lusaka. What type of meat is commonly used to make a traditional schnitzel? Is it A. Veal, B. Chicken, or C. Pork? It is A. Veal. What body of water is commonly associated with Nyasa, known for its biodiversity? Is it A. Lake Malawi, B. Lake Victoria, or C. Lake Tanganyika? It is A. Lake Malawi. What is Bayes' theorem primarily used for in statistics? Is it A. Conditional probability, B. Linear regression, or C. Time series analysis? It is A. Conditional probability. What is the primary purpose of the Inti Raymi festival celebrated in Peru? Is it A. To mark the winter solstice, B. To honor the sun god, or C. To celebrate the harvest? It is B. To honor the sun god. In Greek mythology, which season is associated with Persephone's return to the underworld? Is it A. Spring, B. Summer, or C. Winter? It is C. Winter. In which country is the Leaning Tower of Pisa located? Is it A. Italy, B. France, or C. Spain? It is A. Italy. Who developed the first successful smallpox vaccine? Is it A. Louis Pasteur, B. Edward Jenner, or C. Jonas Salk? It is B. Edward Jenner. What type of musical instrument is a conga? Is it A. Drum, B. Flute, or C. Guitar? It is A. Drum. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.